In today's video, we are going to cover how to design a home decor Shopify. Start from your Shopify admin dashboard, where you are already logged in. From the left-hand menu, click Products, then click Add Product to create your first home decor item. Enter the product title and write the description with the details customers need to see clearly, including dimensions, materials, colors, style, and care instructions. This is where you shape how each item is presented in the store. Next, upload clear product images. Use photos that show the item from different angles, and include at least one styled image so customers can see how the decor piece looks in a room setting. After that, enter the product price and configure the inventory information so stock tracking matches what you plan to sell. If the item comes in different choices, add product options or variants. For home decor, that may include size, color, material, or finish. Once those details are in place, complete the remaining product information and click Save. Repeat this process for each of the other home decor products you want to offer, so your catalog is ready before you move into the store layout. When your products are added, go to Products, then Collections. Create the collections you want customers to browse, such as wall decor, lighting, pillows and throws, vases, or home accessories. These collections help organize the storefront and make product discovery more direct. Now go to Online Store, then Themes. Find the theme you want to use for your home decor store and click Customize. Inside the theme editor, adjust your logo, colors, typography, header, and announcement bar so the storefront matches your home decor brand. Keep the visual choices aligned with the style of the products you are selling. From there, add homepage sections for featured collections, featured products, image banners, and brand information. Use lifestyle images in these sections to show how your products look in different rooms and spaces. This gives the storefront context and helps connect the products to real home settings. Arrange the homepage sections in the order you want customers to see them. Then click Save when the storefront customization is finished. Next, go to Online Store, then Navigation. Configure your menus so customers can browse your collections and important pages without confusion. After navigation is in place, go to Settings, then Payments, and set up the payment methods you want to accept. Then open Settings, Shipping and Delivery, and configure your shipping rates and delivery options. Finally, preview the store and check that the products, collections, navigation, and checkout display and work correctly. Thanks for watching. Your home decor Shopify store is now designed with products, collections, navigation, payments, shipping, and a customized storefront in place.